I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. Minority-owned businesses are a vital part of the U.S. economy. They create jobs, they foster innovation, they contribute to the diversity and dynamism of our communities. As a minority business owner, you are part of a vibrant and growing segment of entrepreneurs. Your success is important. That's why there are programs to support you. One of the most valuable is certification as a minority-owned business. Check out the link in the description box below. This certification opens doors to opportunities you may not otherwise have. Getting certified as a minority-owned business provides a real competitive edge. Certification makes your business eligible for special programs. It can help you gain access to government contracts. It can also help you connect with corporations seeking to diversify their suppliers. Certification shows you are a legitimate minority-owned business. It demonstrates your commitment to diversity. The process might seem daunting at first. However, the benefits far outweigh the effort. The first step is to determine your eligibility. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire certification process. You must meet certain criteria, which are designed to ensure that only qualified businesses receive certification. Your business must be at least 51% owned, operated, and controlled by a member of a recognized minority group. This means that the majority of the decision-making power and daily operations must be in the hands of minority individuals. These groups include African Americans, Hispanic Americans, Asian Americans, Native Americans, and others. It's important to verify which groups are recognized by the certifying organization you choose. Next, choose a certifying organization. This step is vital as different organizations may have varying requirements and benefits. The most recognized organization is the National Minority Supplier Development Council, NMSDC. They offer extensive resources and networking opportunities. There are also regional and state-level organizations. These can be more accessible and may offer additional local support. Each organization has its own application process. Gather your documentation meticulously to avoid any delays. You will need to provide proof of your business ownership, your minority status, and your business operations. This includes legal documents, identification, and operational records. Be prepared to provide detailed financial information. This helps the certifying body assess the viability and legitimacy of your business. Once you submit your application, be patient. The review process is thorough to ensure all criteria are met. The review process can take several weeks or even months. During this time, stay proactive by checking for any updates or additional requests from the certifying body. Before you start the certification process, you need a business structure. One of the most common and advantageous structures is a limited liability company, or LLC. An LLC combines the simplicity of a sole proprietorship with the liability protection of a corporation. LLCs offer several benefits. They protect your assets. This means your personal assets are shielded from business debts and lawsuits. LLCs also offer tax flexibility. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Forming an LLC is relatively simple. However, the process varies by state. You will need to file articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State. Forming your LLC, a step-by-step roadmap. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to establish your limited liability company, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each phase. The first step in forming an LLC is choosing a business name. This name will represent your brand and identity in the market, so it's crucial to select one that is both memorable and relevant to your business. Your LLC name must be unique. It cannot be the same as any other registered business name in your state. To ensure this, you can check the business name registry available on your state's official website. It also must include the words Limited Liability Company, or LLC. This is a legal requirement to clearly indicate the type of business entity you are forming. Once you have a name, you need to appoint a registered agent. This is a critical step as the registered agent will be responsible for receiving all legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. This is the person or company that will receive legal documents on behalf of your business. They must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered and be available during business hours. Next, file your articles of organization. This is a formal document that you submit to the state to officially register your LLC. This document outlines the basic structure of your LLC. It includes essential details about your business, such as its name, address, and the purpose of the LLC. It includes information such as your business name, address, and the names of your LLC members. This ensures that all foundational aspects of your business are clearly documented and legally recognized. There is a filing fee associated with this step. The amount varies by state, so be sure to check the specific requirements for your location. After filing, create an operating agreement. This is an internal document that, while not always required by state law, is highly recommended for outlining the operational procedures of your LLC. This is an internal document that outlines the management structure of your LLC. It specifies how decisions will be made, how profits and losses will be distributed, and the roles and responsibilities of each member. It also details the rights and responsibilities of each member. Having a well-drafted operating agreement can help prevent conflicts and ensure smooth operation of your LLC. Streamlining your business setup with Bizee. Navigating the legalities of forming an LLC can feel overwhelming. Thankfully, resources like Bizee are available to simplify the process. Bizee guides you through each step, ensuring you meet all legal requirements. This allows you to focus on your business goals, while they handle the paperwork. Bizee offers a streamlined approach to forming your LLC. Their platform makes the process efficient and straightforward. They handle the filing of your articles of organization. They can also assist with obtaining your EIN. Understanding the essentials. The importance of an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, or EIN, is a unique 9-digit number assigned to your business by the IRS. This number is crucial for various business activities and serves as a way for the IRS to identify your business entity. It's essentially a social security number for your business. Just as your social security number is used for personal identification, your EIN is used for business identification. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes. Without it, many financial institutions won't allow you to open a business account, and you may face challenges in managing payroll and tax obligations. Even if you don't plan to hire employees right away, it's still a good idea to get an EIN. It prepares your business for future growth and ensures you're ready to expand when the time comes. It helps you separate your personal and business finances. This separation is essential for accurate bookkeeping and can protect your personal assets from business liabilities. It also adds a layer of security. By using an EIN instead of your social security number, you reduce the risk of identity theft and enhance the security of your personal information. Think of your EIN as a crucial identifier for your business. It not only legitimizes your business, but also simplifies many administrative processes. It's a vital component of establishing your business's legitimacy. An EIN is more than just a number. It's a key part of your business's identity and a foundational element for its success. Obtaining your EIN, a step-by-step guide. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. The application is relatively simple. You'll need to provide basic information about your business. This includes your business name, address, and the reason you're applying for an EIN. Once you submit your application, you will receive your EIN immediately. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation letter. Make sure to keep this document in a safe place. Remember, your EIN is a permanent number. You'll use it throughout the life of your business. Bizee simplifying your EIN application. As with LLC formation, navigating the EIN application process can be daunting. Bizee simplifies this process as well. They guide you through each step. They ensure you provide all the necessary information. Using Bizee for your EIN application saves you time and reduces stress. Their expertise streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on launching and growing your business. Maintaining your certification, staying compliant. Once you are certified, it's important to maintain your certification. This means keeping your business information up to date. You'll need to recertify periodically, usually every 1 to 3 years. Stay informed about any changes to the certification requirements. Stay organized and keep thorough records of your business activities. This will make the recertification process much smoother. Remember, your certification is a valuable asset. It's worth investing the time and effort to maintain it. Embracing success resources for minority-owned businesses. As a minority business owner, you have access to a wealth of resources. Organizations like the Small Business Administration, or SBA, offer training programs, counseling services, and access to funding. Take advantage of these resources to help your business thrive. Remember, you are not alone on your entrepreneurial journey. There is a supportive community of minority business owners and organizations ready to help you succeed. Embrace the opportunities available to you. Your success is a testament to your hard work, dedication, and the power of minority-owned businesses. And hey, when you're ready to level up your business and make it official, check out Bizee for all your LLC and EIN needs. They make the process seamless and affordable, so you can focus on what really matters, building your empire. The future is yours for the taking, so get out there and crush it. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of this business, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for even more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Let's make those dreams a reality, one hustle at a time.